So today we got this Lexus IS300. So I got all those off. So we can actually see this black area right here. That seems to be one spot the exhaust was leaking. So I pretty much cleaned up this one. Now I gotta clean this one up, and I will hit it with Scotch-Brite, JDM goodness. And as we can see, this one's cracked. Still gonna use it, but I'm using this in between. So I'll put this on the header, and then here, and then put this one on, sandwiched, and then more. The instructions for this are put it hand tight, wait an hour, and then tighten it. So we're doing that. So the mating surfaces are clean. Here we are, everything's hand tight. We're gonna wait 1 hour.